there's a million other people with the same stuff. You really think you're different, man, you must be kidding. Think you're gonna hit it, but you just don't get it. It's impossible, it's not probable, you're responsible. Too many obstacles, you gotta stop it though. You gotta take it slow, you can't be a pro, no one's time no more. Who's the fuck are you to tell me what to do? I don't give a damn if you say you disapprove. I'm gonna make my move, I'm gonna make it soon, and I'll do it cause it's what I wanna fucking do. Cause all these opinions and all these positions, they come in and they fucking you bitches. You can't listen, that shit is all listen, cause you hold the power as long as you're dreaming. Make it. There's no way that you make it. And maybe you can fake it, but you're never gonna make it. Aren't you just gonna take that? Make them take it all back. Don't tell me you believe that. Aren't you just gonna take that? Or will you fucking fight back? Fight back. They're better than you face it. You're not gonna break it. No, they don't give a damn. You got what I'm saying? I'm not fucking playing. Okay, there's too many others and you're not that great, man. Stop what you're saying, stop what you're making. Everybody here knows that you're faking. Nah, I don't wanna hear it anymore. I don't wanna hear it anymore. All these fucking thoughts, they are not what I need anymore. I'm gonna shut the motherfucking door. I'll argue more. Asking to the heads to the left. Talking out loud so proud. You listen to your goddamn mouth. Before I do my thing now. You're never gonna make it. There's no way that you make it. Maybe you can fake it, but you never gonna make it. Aren't you just gonna take that? Take it all back. Don't tell me you believe that. Aren't you just gonna take that? Or will you fucking fight back? Fight back. Yeah, I don't believe in destiny. I just do what's best for me. Don't listen to my enemies. They're just full of shit. Yeah, this legacy. You gon' see what's left of me. You gon' see what's left of me. You gon' see the rest. I just wanna get through what I know. Just watch me grow. Into the next one, you know. This is the best. I'm gonna get it. Exactly what I know. I'm so effective with my flow. I'm the offensive even though they ain't gonna lie like stuff. Try to lie like what? Try to do it right, it's not enough. Even though you try, you still mess up. Still gonna fight for what I love. Fight for what I love. Still gonna try, I won't give up. Still gonna fight until I've won. They say I'm way too old. I'm not quite there yet, but those words they'll regret. And I'm not giving up. I will not let you win. I won't stop till the end, no.
Em bật con đi. took action writing down these words.
Okay, I just wanna be something. I don't wanna be something, living all alone. No, I'm not all quiet, but I'll tell you I'm just fine, so you leave me alone.